This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into the Gmail account you want to add a number to. Make sure your phone is nearby and can receive SMS or calls. Once signed in, go to your Google account settings and select Personal Info. This is where phone numbers live. Make sure the SIM is active and that you have network access so verification codes arrive promptly. If your device time is wrong, verification can fail, so sync time or switch to automatic time settings before proceeding. Now you add the number. In Personal Info, tap Contact Info, then Phone, and choose Add Phone. You'll enter the full number including country code. Double-check digits to avoid delays. Choose SMS or call verification. SMS is faster usually. Then wait for the 6-digit code and enter it exactly as received. Once you enter the code, Google will confirm and link the number. If you don't get the code, request it again after a short pause and confirm network coverage. Finish by reviewing how Google will use the number. Set it as recovery, enable 2-step prompts, or keep it for notifications. This protects your account. Once saved, test by initiating a recovery or sign in that triggers a code to confirm functionality. If something goes wrong, make sure carrier SMS or call blocking isn't enabled, your device clock is accurate, and airplane mode is off. If issues persist, try a different number or use an authenticator app as an alternative recovery method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.